Hi, in this tutorial, we will teach you how to find and install drivers for your Alienware system on our support site. To install a fresh set of drivers on your computer, first you will need to know your service tag. Go to dell.com/support and enter your service tag. Or, if Support Assist is installed on your Alienware, wait for the app to identify your system. Keep in mind that depending on your model, driver options might be slightly different. Check out our online article for all Dell systems. You can find the links in the description. Within the Drivers and Downloads tab, if by any reason you need to see all the drivers available for that model, untick the option named Show Downloads by Service Tag for factory installed components. At some point in this process, you may need to install previous versions of a driver. Click the arrow for the driver you would like and select older versions. Here you can choose the version you want to download and install. When updating these drivers, there is a certain order that needs to be followed for proper installation. First, check the current version of BIOS and update it. BIOS needs to be installed sequentially, so if you have version 1.1.0, you need to install 1.2.0 before installing 1.3.1. After each installation, you need to restart your system. Once you've got the BIOS updated, go back to the Dell Support download page. Next are the chipset drivers, which also require a restart after each installation. Expand category and select chipset. Download the following drivers. With those installed, use Windows Search and access the Device Manager. Expand network adapters and make a note of your network model or name. Go back to the Dell Support Downloads and Drivers page. Select Network in the category field and install the drivers for your configuration: Bluetooth, Ethernet, and wireless, and restart your system. Now, back in the Downloads and Drivers page, select Video in the category field, and install the Intel Graphics driver and the NVIDIA Graphics driver. You may want to consider installing the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app to help keep your drivers up to date. When you're ready, restart your system. Restart your system after each installation as necessary. Follow the same process for the audio driver. Within the Downloads and Drivers page, under Category, select Mouse, Keyboard, and Input Devices. Install the drivers you need, which might include the Tobii Experience software. Under Serial ATA, install the Intel Rapid Storage Technology application and driver. As for the applications, you should install the following drivers. Remember, anytime you need help or have questions, contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more official Alienware tutorials. Thanks for watching.